Hi, for my second career profile, I chose a public education school counselor because I want to do something in public education. For a school counselor in public education, you not only need a master's degree, but you need or a bachelor's degree, but you need a master's degree in school counseling. So a lot of school counselors start off as regular ed teachers, and then they get a online master's degree in school counseling and then shift into the school counselor position. As a school counselor, you not only communicate with students and parents, but you have that communication between teachers and their students and checking on their emotional well-being, and you communicate with admin and everything like that. You also are teaching social emotional skills about once a month with the classroom, so you need to be well versed in age appropriate social emotional skills that kids need to be successful in life. And then you would do small group emotional check-ins, one-on-one check-ins, sometimes a larger group. It just depends on the school and the setting. For a school counselor, usually your starting out salary will be roughly about $42,000, and then with experience and more education, you can have it be around $75,000. So it can be a very fun career. So thanks.